Hi everyone, this is Jerry. Welcome to today's video. Have you ever wondered why some people say they want to learn Chinese while the others say Mandarin? What's the difference between these two? Many people use these terms interchangeably, but they actually refer to different concepts. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of what each term means, their relationship, and how they are used in different contexts. So, what will we cover today? First, the broader concept of Chinese as a language family. Second, the specific meaning of Mandarin or 普通话. Third, a deeper dive into the regional variation of Mandarin and its relationship with Chinese culture and dialects. Fourth, a quicker comparison to clarify common misconceptions. So let's get started. The term Chinese has a broader meaning. It refers to the group of languages and the writing system used by Chinese people. Specifically, it includes Mandarin, the standardized form of the Chinese language, and regional dialects such as Cantonese, Shanghainese, Hakka, Hunanese, and more. So when people saying they are learning Chinese, although most of the time they refer learning Mandarin, but it could also mean learning Cantonese or other dialects depending on the context. This is why Chinese is often understood as a general term for all varieties of Chinese language family, both spoken and written. The written form of Chinese is called Hanzi. It's shared across many dialects, making it a unifying aspect of the language. Chinese is also one of the 6 official working languages in United Nations and is used by over 1.7 billion people worldwide. Now, let's focus on Mandarin or 普通话. Mandarin is the standardized form of the Chinese language, officially defined as first, based on the pronunciation of Beijing dialect. Second, use the grammar of Northern Chinese dialects. Third, following the norms of modern written vernacular Chinese. Mandarin is the official language of the People's Republic of China and is used in schools, government, and media. It's also widely spoken in Taiwan, where it's referred as 国语, means national language. However, they are slightly different. If you are interested, please comment below and I might make another video about it. In general, here's the important distinctions. First, Chinese is the umbrella term that includes all varieties such as Mandarin and Cantonese. Second, Mandarin specifically refers to 普通话, which is just one of the many Chinese dialects, but has been elevated to the status of a national standard. Mandarin, which originated from Beijing dialect as a variation of Northern Chinese dialects, was later standardized to serve as the official language of China. Similar to Standard English or one of the official recognized language of India, it is not entirely of the language family but standardized form of one of the particular language. Mandarin is essentially a dialect of Chinese. It was chosen as an official language due to its wide usage and has since become the most important form of Chinese because it's spoken across the nation. However, it remains its roots in Beijing dialect, which brings in several unique characteristics. Since Mandarin is based on Beijing dialect, it naturally incorporates many regional features of Beijing speech. For example, during Qing Dynasty, the Manchu ruler heavily influenced the Beijing culture, introducing new words and phrases into the Chinese language. This blending of cultures shapes the development of Mandarin over time. Regional accents further diversify Mandarin. If you travel to northeastern China, you might hear northeastern accented Mandarin. In Hunan, you will hear Hunan accented Mandarin. These accents reflect the influence of local dialects on Mandarin, which is why even when speaking standard Mandarin, people often bring their regional characteristics in their speech. For instance, many people in Fujian or Hunan struggle with distinguishing he and fu sound. Like Hunan, they might pronounce Funan. Fujian will be Hujian. This is perfectly normal and as a humorous touch, often refers as 塑料普通话. Plastic Mandarin doesn't usually hinder communication and can even add a touch of humor to conversation. However, if the accents are too strong and the speech becomes unintelligible, the humor quickly fades. In summary, to make things clear, let's compare these two terms. Chinese refer to the entire language family, including Mandarin, Cantonese, and other dialects, as well as shared written script. Mandarin refers specifically to 普通话, the standardized spoken language. Chinese includes multiple dialects groups such as Cantonese, Shanghainese, Hakka, etc. Mandarin is one dialect within the Chinese language family, but it's the most widely spoken and serves as the standard language. Chinese is a broad term that might refer to the language family or script. For example, I'm learning Chinese could mean learning Mandarin, Cantonese, or another dialect, although most of the time people means Mandarin. Mandarin is more specific. For example, I'm taking a Mandarin class means the focus is on 普通话. Let's think about this. With Mandarin becoming the common language across China, could it lead the decline of regional dialects? These dialects host the history and the cultural identity of their regions, and losing them could be a serious blow to local heritage. But without a shared language like Mandarin, how will people from different parts of China communicate effectively? It's a tricky balance, preserving cultural diversity while ensuring national understanding. So, what's your take? Share your thought in the comment. That's all for today's video on the differences between Chinese and Mandarin. I hope this explanation helps you better understand these terms and its fascinating relationship. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification. And click here for more information about learning Mandarin. See you in the next video. Bye.